Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a linked double crochet. So if you're here from this video, you probably came over from the members community because we do have a pattern this month. It's a sock pattern that has this stitch in it, and I know it's a little bit tricky, so we figured we would make a video to explain how to do it. So just follow along with me. I'll be able to show you how to make it no problem. If you're not a subscriber to our magazine currently, make sure you click the link in the description below. Check it out, subscribe with us, and you are going to gain such an amazing community filled with crocheters who love yarn just as much as you do. So make sure you do check that out as well. All right, so grab your yarn, grab your hooks. I'm going to show you how to make this linked double crochet, and you are going to absolutely love it. I promise it's going to be so easy once I'm done showing you how to do it. All right, so like I said, we are working a linked double crochet today. So I'm just using some paint box wool mix chunky yarn, and I've got my 8mm hook. This can be worked over any number of stitches. Obviously, I'm not going to get into the pattern itself that we're using this for because that is for members only. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do a basic linked double crochet. So for this, we've got our chain, however long you want it to be. And then in the second chain from the hook, so we've got 1, 2, we're going to go in to the back of the stitch. That's just what I like to do. You can go into the front. It really doesn't matter either way. So we're going to go into the back, and we're going to pull up a loop, and then we're going to just pull up the loop, and then we're going to not go into the next stitch. We're going to go into the 4th stitch. We're going to go in here and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And this one's split just a smidge, but that's just this yarn, so that's okay. All right, and then for the next stitch, we're going to go through this little bar that sits across the front of your stitch. So if you have it out like this, you'll see this bar here. We're going to go in from the top down, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we'll just yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So we'll do it again. We go through that top bar and pull up a loop, and then into the next stitch, and pull up a loop, and then yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And that's what they start looking like as you're making your linked double crochets. All right, so we got to the end of our row, and the socks are worked in the round, I believe. So this is a little bit different, but for working this in back and forth rows, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and then in the second chain from the hook, we're going to go into this and pull up a loop, and then into the stitch and pull up a loop, and then yarn over through 2 and yarn over through 2, and that gives you your horizontal bar that we were just working in this first row. So then you'll go into your horizontal bar and pull up a loop, into the stitch and pull up a loop, through 2, and you're back on track to how you were doing it before. So just go through that horizontal bar. I know you want to yarn over first. Don't yarn over. You just keep going. So through that horizontal bar and pull up a loop, into the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And that's how you do the linked double crochet in back and forth rows. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those in the comments below. If you're more interested in the design, the sock design, the link for that is in the description as well to subscribe to the magazine. That's where the pattern is. So you do have to be a member to get that sock pattern, but that's all in the description below. So if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments. I hope this helps. Yeah, so make sure you leave those comments, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.